Hello, welcome back. Got an inquiry. How do you get the levels right so that your recordings come out good? Thought I'd give you a quick video, show you how to do it, see why it's important. So here we go. First of all, a recording done properly, and watch for the needles. And now we have a bit of music, the same bit of music, done wrong. That bit of music was recorded banging hard into the red, and that's what it sounds like. It's not very good. So this is why. What you record has to sit between the noisy and non-linear and the overdriven. If you go too high, if you make it too big, what happens is it cuts the tops and the bottoms off the signal, there and there. And the end result is that it sounds similar to what you recorded, or wanted to record, but it doesn't actually sound right. This is what a pure tone looks like when it's going into the machine. You can see there's one peak and it's nice and smooth. And this is what it looks like when it's being played back. As you can see, there's a couple of little bits there, 1 and 2. But other than that, it's really quite a good representation of what is recorded. Those little peaks are called harmonic distortion. On the other hand, this is what you get when you do it at a high level. See those peaks? Those peaks are big enough to hear, and they will give you a zingy sound to the original tone. And look how they make the whole thing very rough. Those two playbacks were recorded on the same machine. I'm talking over it now, but we're playing back this bit, which is going to be highlighted. And now I just highlight the other bit and we play that back. That's enough of that. It really does sound bad. What I'm going to show you now is what that looks like when it's on the graph. So just highlight that, bring that down onto analysis, and hey presto, we have a chart. Oh, look at that. Now, that is what it looks like, but see how rough and furry it is looking, and see how it just doesn't look really right. Now we're going to go on to the next bit. This is the nicely recorded part. Again, we'll bring down the nice simple click there, and now look at that. Yes, those bits are there. They're meant to be there, but look at the difference between the main body and how big those peaks are. Those are intended peaks. And then look how smooth this is in comparison to that previous one. That's the way it should be. That's why it sounds so much nicer, because that distortion which is what all that mush and the furry stuff isn't there. Now, just quickly have a look at this. Open that up, and there you can see that's what the waveform looks like. And it's got nice peaks and troughs, and everything sort of looks about right. And there's a difference between the loud bits and the quiet bits. Now, going to quickly pull that down so you can see it a bit better there. There we go. You can definitely see peaks and troughs, rounded and spiky tops as required. Now, going over to the other one, exactly the same part of the music, and open that up, and let's see what we can see here. Oh look, all the tops are square. And if you look down on the bottom one, on the right hand side, you can see there are some bits that aren't being clipped because they're the quieter bits of the music, which is why everything sounds roughly right, but it just sounds, well, I said it there, sounds rough. And that's the difference between doing it properly. So what that means is if you're recording it and it sounds a bit sort of mushy and a bit rough, then try turn the levels down, make sure you try and get it right. Not all tapes record exactly the same levels and give the same results, but now you know what you're looking for and what you're listening for, so there we go. Anyway, if you found some use out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe, and if you didn't, well, try and watch another one, you might get something out of that one. Anyway, catch you again, bye bye.